you ever wanted to heal, grow, and transform, but couldn't stand the thought of another Zoom call? If that's you, you're not alone because I'm with you. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have something exciting to share. Well, it's exciting to me, and I hope it's exciting for you. This is really special because Hill Camp is back. And I don't mean HEAL, though that could be very fitting, but it's HEEL. Instead of boot camp, we're doing Hill Camp. Hill Camp is back, you guys. It is back. But not like before. This is a reimagined Hill Camp. So, one of the things that always bothered me, and I've done personal coaches, I've done the workshops, I've done the courses, I've done all of it. And, oftentimes when you invest in these things, you want transformation. Personally, I like freedom. And at this point, I don't like being tied down to a certain time. I like being able to sit down when I'm ready to tackle things. Like personalization. I like to ask certain questions that are specific to me because everyone's journey is different. And I also don't want to be on a group Zoom call and kind of spilling my guts and sharing like personal information, personal things with everyone because I'm a little more private than most people, it seems these days. I mean, it's true. I'm excited to announce that Hill Camp transformations and retreat that are going to be on your own time, allows you freedom, allows you the space and time you need to tackle whatever it is you need at the time you need it. Now, here's the thing that a lot of people don't realize, and I'm guilty of this too. When it comes to courses, especially like when it comes to transformation, like 88% of courses are never finished. Like that's astounding if you ask me. That's astounding, especially if it's something that you've invested in and you decided that, yes, this is it. And 88% of people do not finish the course. And I'll tell you reasons why I haven't finished. One, it's a commitment that to me is not so personalized for me, like specifically. Usually it's like, okay, you're going through a breakup and you need some healing to get through a breakup, or you have some blocks as far as like love or parenting or relationship, or you're trying to overcome something, you need a breakthrough, and it's not so catered to you. Whether it's an on demand course or you have to show up at 7 a.m., I'm like, why? I like my slow mornings. Why are we showing up 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m.? Yes, I said 10 a.m. Like, why are we showing up this early? I'm good. I am no good to anyone that early, not even myself. Okay, being real. And so, one of the things that bothered me so much is that I wanted transformation. I wanted to get this insight. I wanted a breakthrough, but I never wanted to commit myself to a certain time. That's, as a mother, sometimes, you never know. Like you might have to take your kids to school because they miss a bus or whatever the case is. And things do come up and you might have to miss that class because it's live. Or if it's on demand, it's not live. You can't ask the questions that you want or be there and have that live interaction, that live conversation back and forth that's going to lead to your breakthrough. And again, the group coaching is fine. There's just something about keeping things sacred. And I know people are like, no, I don't gatekeep and I like share all my business on the internet. I believe in keeping things sacred. And so I tried personally to do one-on-one group. Actually, I didn't. Reached out to me and wanted it. And it left me drained and exhausted. I never offered these offerings because I wanted something that I felt like would truly lead to a transformation. Now, I've been absent on this channel for a little bit, not too long, but I've been doing my own healing and working through things and uncovering things, and it's been heavy. Not heavy. Well, I'll say this. It's been getting lighter, which is always a great thing. When things get lighter, versus heavier. They felt heavy in the beginning, but they feel a lot lighter right now. And I want to share this. I want to share how it's helped me, because not only did it allow me a space and time to get into it, I was not tied to a certain time, a certain place. If you know anything about me, Amber likes her freedom. Amber likes freedom. I don't like, I've been told that I'm non-committal, but I don't think that that definitely was not a what is it? A compliment at the time. It wasn't meant as a compliment, but I kind of took it as a compliment. But the thing is, I don't like being told what to do, where to show up, where to be, when to be there. I especially in this space, if you're going through something, you have to be mind, heart, body ready for it. And if you're not going to see that breakthrough that you desire. And so you can take a break. You can come back when you need to. It is a back and forth conversation that's going to ask pertinent questions, that's going to help you get to your place, get to your breakthrough. Now, the other thing that I want to say is sometimes when it comes, like, I do believe in guidance, because sometimes you don't know what questions to ask to get you to the place that you need to be. And that was one thing that I realized, is that I wasn't asking the right questions. I needed to be guided to where I was going, which ultimately, I'll just say this and put it out there. Ultimately, everything is leading back to yourself. You are just returning home. I talk about this in Manifest Like a Woman. You're returning home. But if you feel lost, if you feel like you need a breakthrough, you're out there somewhere, or you're attached to something that you might not realize that you're attached to. You might not realize that you're giving your power away to these things. And you have to be able to be guided to the right questions to get to those deeper insights and those breakthroughs. So now, back to Hill Camp. So Hill Camp is going to be on-demand retreats and workshops. Now, I just said on-demand. You don't ask the real, like, you don't have that conversation back and forth where you get to ask or be asked the right questions and share the right things to get you there. But with this AI powered retreats and workshops, you will be able to do this through conversation, through insights, through deep ritual. You will be met with a guide that's going to help you through these various workshops and retreats, which I'm really excited about, because I love just kind of inundating and yourself in this immersive experience, because that's what it is. It's an immersive experience that's going to lead to transformation. And I can't really explain how I'm excited about this, because I really wanted this. I was like, this is what I went through. I put myself through it, and girl, just like mind blown. And how years of, going through this, reading books, workshops, coaches, years. And in a matter of, how long was I gone? Like 2 weeks, a week, 2 weeks, major breakthroughs that I haven't seen in my whole life. And I ain't going to tell you how old I am. Okay. This is going to allow the clarity and transformation that you desire. So I have some notes. So whether you're breaking a pattern, calling back your energy, or just ready to be seen again, I'm excited to be offering these virtual, what did I call them? I'm excited to be offering these workshops and retreats through Hill Camp. And we will have some other offerings outside of just retreats and workshops, but this is where we're starting. And like I said, I'm really excited. And here's the thing. You don't have to wait to heal to start dating. You can show up with messy hair and not all together. You're not being judged, all the things. You just show up in your truth. You show up ready for healing and transformation. And honestly, you're already healed. You just need to remember that. You just need to remember This is a returning back to truth, returning back to home. So the first retreat drops soon. I'm going to leave a link below. Our past hill camps, maybe, and you can sign up for our wait list and just get on our newsletter so you can know when our first retreat drops. Just remember, this is soft, sacred, and on your terms. And this is feminine energy. This is reclaiming your power on your terms, sacredness. So, anyways, you guys, check out my website, ambermarieturner.com, as well as I'm going to leave some info below and some links. But I'm so excited to be bringing Hill Camp back. And yeah, really just wanted to get on here and announce it and share it with you guys. And I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.